Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So first of all, you may have observed a bit change in my setup. So it was because I was traveling, okay, for like 3 to 4 days. You may have observed a change in the frequent change in systems as well. I apologize for that, but now here I'm back at my home at my original setup. So videos will be in order. So, okay. So now let's take a look at Git. So first of all, here I'm in my Ubuntu WSL over here. Okay. So here we have many things pre-installed like SSH and Git also. To check if Git is there or not, just type Git version. If it is there, Git is there, or install Git from the browser. Okay. So now what we're going to do, first of all you have to log in Git. Okay, so to do that, just type git minus minus global user dot name and your name. Okay, so you have to first log in like this, and then you have to give your email over here. Okay, so you have to first log in to Git. We'll see the reason why you have to log in with your name and email. For now, let's save it with info.txt. Okay. So now what we'll do, first of all, we will initialize this repository over here with Git. To Git init, we have initialized the repository. To check if it is there, just type git ls minus. As you can see, .git is there where our repository is stored in it. Okay, so now what we'll do, we create a JS file over here, that touch app.js, and app.js has been added over here. Okay, so now I have, wait a second, we want a node sample code over here. So let's go to the node documentation and get the sample code, and here, not here, wait a second, in this app.js. Okay, so press enter, and here what we'll do, we will check git status. So as you can see, it is telling that two files are there which are not added to the git for now. Okay, so to add that, just type in the command git add dot. So this dot means that we are adding all the files which are in this repository. So if you want to add one file, just git add and this one file name over it. So now you check git status. Wait a second. Git status. You can see these files are added over here. Okay. So now what we want to do, we want to commit our change. Like we have added hello world over here. So first of all, let's run it. Okay, so to do that, just type node app.js and server has been started at port 3000, and here you can see hello world. Okay, so now let's uh, commit a change over here. So git commit minus m and whatever message you want to type. Wait a second. Created our node app. Create. So wait a second. So now let's commit change, and change has been committed. So if we do git log you can see this commit has been made over here. Okay, and if we type git status, you can see there's nothing there on the branch over here. Okay, so now what we'll do, we're going to make some change in our code. So let's write hello friends over here. Okay, so let's assume a situation where we wrote a big chunk of code that didn't work. Okay, and we want to go back to the original commit we last made. Okay, so to do that, uh, what we have to do, here we will add it git status. As you can see, we have modified but not added it yet. Git add app.js. So now we type git status. We have modified the file over here. So now we want to git commit a change over here. Okay, change the text. Okay, so here we have made another commit, and if we do git log, you can see two commits are over here. But let's assume that we want a hello world back. Okay, we wrote a chunk of code that didn't work, and we want to go to original uh, commit. Okay, so to do that, just type git check out, and then we have to give this hash map over here. So to do that, we have to create a node app. We need this hash map. So let's control C, paste it. We press enter. As you can see, hello world is there instead of hello friends, because we went back in time and we got a hello world back. Just kidding, we committed and went back to the previous commit we made. So this is how we commit and go back to the previous commit. Okay, so let's assume that you want that you want like a bunch of people are working on a project. Okay, and excuse me, you have to like experiments on the project. Okay, and you don't want the main branch to be disturbed. Okay, so first of all, just type git branch, and you do that. You can see there's this master branch over here, which is the main branch. Okay, and just ignore this head detach, it is a bit violent. So what we want to create a branch. Okay, to do that, git branch, and uh, the name of the branch. Okay, so let's assume git branch, name of branch test. Okay, so we are in the branch, and if we do git branch, you can see there is this test branch over here. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to make some changes over here. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the branch test. Okay, so to do that, just type git checkout test, switch to branch test. We are in this test branch over here. Okay, that we just created. So here let's make a bunch of changes. Let's add and make this HTML over here, and let's go and make where I'm looking for HTML. Where is it? Yes, and now if we type HTML, we have the boilerplate. I wanted that. I wanted the boilerplate, and we need to add this over. In these curly braces we will add the boilerplate, okay, and title whatever, and in the body we want to give bg color, anything yellow, and we want H3 over here for some reason. Hmm, manipulated, anything, change, and close. So let's first run this in the server. Let's go to the port. As you can see, it has been changed over here. Okay, so we are in the branch test. Okay, so we experimented and it we didn't like what the product was, so we decided to go back on the branch. So experimenting is good. We had an idea and we wanted to experiment it, but it didn't work out and we want to go back to the previous branch. Okay, so just type git status. First of all, we have modified it, so first add it, git add git status. So now git log. So here we want to go back to the main branch which was master over here. So git branch. You can see there are two branches, a master and test. We are in currently in this test. So to go back to the master branch, we have to type git check out master, and it is giving an error over here. Your local changes to the following files will be overwritten. Please commit your changes to stash them before you switch branches. So first of all, let's see what branch we are on currently. Git branch. We are in test. So first of all, let's commit as it is saying. Commit -m changed bg and did not liked it. Okay, so here we committed it and git log. So yeah, we want to go back to the original branch. To do that, just type git branch, and when test branch, to go back, just type git check out and master. We now have switched to master. So as you can see, it changed. We are back to hello friends, and if we stop the server over here, so first of all, let's check out what it is showing. This was the last commit of a branch test. So now let's stop the server and git status. We are on branch master, so now we will run the server again. And now let's go back. We should see hello friends, which was our original uh, branch master. As you can see, this was hello friends. So this was all about git. So git is nothing but a version control system so that you and your friends can work in a single project and you can experiment and go back to the previous checkpoint you made. So yeah, this was about Git in this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.